Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 816, and today's topic is the use of paint as an explosive and also as a vasculodilating agent. So this paint is actually it is pentaerythrotriol tetranitrate. So pentaerythrotriol tetranitrate commonly known as paint, and it is very sensitive explosive. It is a nitro derivative, and where the four hydroxy groups in that is pentaerythrotriol is converted into nitrate and it becomes explosive, and this explosive was manufactured in 1875, and nowadays it is also known as plastic bomb or explosive. And this paint explosive is widely used for both purpose, military as well as commercial, because with this explosive we can demolish, we can damage, we can destroy very big property or any big building, all these things, or any target. So that's why it is widely used in military as well as in commerce. And the very interesting thing is that this is also used as a diovascular agent, dialyzer. So vasculodilator means this paint can dilate our arteries and veins. The reason is that when this nitro derivative is given to the person who is having heart condition that is called angina pectoris, means angina pain, and he has some restriction of the flow of blood and oxygen. So in that condition, if paint is given, paint by the action of enzyme inside body, it will release immediately nitric oxide, that is NO. NO is a free radical and highly reactive, and nitric oxide which is released by paint in your body, it will immediately act, and it has two functions. One function that it will immediately dilate your arteries and veins. That's why it is called vasculodilator agent. And because of this property, immediately the person who is having very serious pain, sharp pain because of some obstruction of the blood flow due to some problem in arteries and veins, will be clear because of nitric oxide. And the second role of nitric oxide, which is produced out of paint in the body, is that it will act as a gatekeeper to supply the oxygen, to allow the oxygen to reach to the heart. So in this way, heart will get oxygen, and at the same time blood flow will be immediately improved, so the life will not be in danger, and then we can take that person to hospital for permanent treatment. And it is just like trinitroglycerin, as a substitute of trinitroglycerin, but the only difference is that trinitroglycerin's action is not for long time, but for paint, if it is given, its action is for long duration of time. And even paint has been recognized in America by American Food and Drug Administration. It's a very important use. So it's up to your choice whether you are using paint for destructive purpose, for military purpose, for commercial purpose, or for medicinal purpose, to treat the patient who is having angina pain or cardiac condition, cardiac problem. It plays both role. And one very popular explosive is called matrix or pentastate 80. They are known as plastic bomb, and actually they contain the mixture of RDX and pen, and they are very sensitive, explosive, and they are used for lot of destruction. And here I have given the that is your pen, that is pentarethotriol tetranitrate. Tetranitrate means actually pen word came from 5, like penta, hexa, hepta. So pen means it has 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 4 of the carbon, they are nitrated. They are in the ester form of nitric acid. So this OH, here this OH, this is your that is your penta-erythrotriol. So this is your penta-erythrotriol. So it is your penta-erythrotriol, and this penta-erythrotriol, when it is subjected to nitration in presence of 96% concentrated nitric acid at 50 degrees centigrade temperature, the nitration will take place. All the hydroxy groups, these all hydroxy groups, all 4 hydroxy groups will be changed into ON2. So that is, we call it, it is nitrated in the form of nitrate, and that nitrate is nothing but this is in the form of ONO2. ONO2 means it is ester, and this is your called pen. And to manufacture the pen, we are starting from acetaldehyde, and it will be subjected to aldol condensation, which is a very common condensation. And after that condensation, then it is subjected to Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction is also very well-known organic reaction, and after the aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction, it is converted into penta-erythrotriol, and this penta-erythrotriol, when it is subjected to nitration, we will get pen, and that pen is called penta-erythrotriol tetranitrate, and its formula is C, outside bracket CS2ONO2, means CS2ONO2, there are 4, and other way of writing the formula is C5H8N4O12. So, pent has a role as an explosive and vasodilator agent. It can be used as an explosive, high grade explosive, and it can be used as an agent to treat cardiac problem, that is angina pectoris. Number 1, PENT. The PENT full name is penta-erythrotriol tetranitrate. So penta-erythrotriol tetranitrate, commonly known as PENT, and if you go to any military establishment, you tell PENT, so it is known by PENT, they are not calling the full name. PENT with formula C5H8N4O12 has a role as an explosive and as vasodilator agent. Vasodilator agent, I have already told you, means it can dilate our arteries and veins. The Pentastan 80. Pentastan 80 is well-known military explosive, which is manufactured out of PENT. So is developed as high-grade military explosives or for the use in various industrial and commercial settings. Number 2, pentaelectrotriol trinitrate, that is PENT, is lipid soluble, and that is called polyol ester of nitric acid, which exhibit vasodilatory property and belong to nitro vasodilators family. So this compound belongs, that is called nitro vasodilator family, because once they are looking for any chemical, medicine or compound to work as a vasodilator in cardiac condition, they go for PEN, or they go for that is your glyceryl trinitrate. So glyceryl trinitrate even is very common drug. Sometimes those who are having some cardiac problem, the cardiologist they prescribe to keep in your house. If you get any time some pain or you just put under your tongue. So that is triglyceryl, that is nitrate, that is called glyceryl trinitrate. And also the PENT works for the same purpose, that is called nitro vasodilator family. And PENT releases free nitric oxide NO. I have already given you the explanation that what is the role of PENT, or even what is the role of glycerol trinitrate. These two are used for angina pain or angina pectoris, where there is difficulty and obstruction of blood to move. So these one will release nitric oxide NO, is a very active, reactive, we can say, nitric oxide, free radical. And this nitric oxide free radical in our body plays lot of role, very important. If in your body enough nitric oxide is not produced, your immune system will be weak, your cardiovascular system will be having problem, and you will be having lot of problem. The nitric oxide is just like gatekeeper to supply the oxygen and to give the order to all organs where it should go. And also it is a transmitting molecule to transmit the signals. And I have already mentioned this thing, if I remember, if there is a deficiency of nitric oxide in your body, you are going to face lot of problem of immunity, you will be getting frequently infections, all this. So the best vegetables, because there are two sources of getting nitric oxide. One is from plant source, the other one is from animal source. So the plant source, the very rich source is, first is, that is your garlic, second one is ginger, third one is onion. So all these garlic, ginger, onion, they are rich in this compound to get nitric oxide. And if we are talking of animal product, then first number goes to egg, meat, liver, and then dairy product. In dairy product, the best one is either curd, that is Kinder Bueno, or cheese. So they are all rich in such type of compound which are releasing enough nitric oxide to your body, and that will take care. And that is your nitric oxide NO. And after denitration reaction, which triggers nitric oxide dependent signaling, causes conformational change. Conformational change means the arrangement of molecules within the space. It is actually stereochemistry word. Conformational change that will take place, and it will activate the enzymes, which results in the vasodilator dilation, and this causes arteries and vein bed dilation. in a dose-dependent manner. It depends upon the cardiologist what dose should be given. It has similar property like glyceryl trinitrate, but for more prolonged duration, and is used to treat angina pectoris. Very interesting thing is that also one of the most powerful high explosive, also pent is one of the most highly explosive, and also it is one of the very good medicine for dilating the arteries and veins. So number 3, the most powerful high explosive, which is known as Semtex, and this Semtex is the component of plastic explosive containing PENT and RDX mixture. So the PENT and RDX mixture, that is plastic explosive, and that is called Semtex. It is used in military and commercial blasting demolition. It was first prepared in 1875. In USA, FDA, that is Food Drug Administration, has recognized PEN to be coronary vasodilator in the treatment of heart conditions such as angina. So even the Americans, they have accepted PENT as a coronary dilator in treatment of cardiac problem. Number 4, the decomposition of PENT probably takes place in the following manner. How PENT is going to be decomposed? Once explosion takes place, it is decomposed into 4 molecules of water, 3 molecules of carbon dioxide, 2 molecules of carbon monoxide, and 2 molecules of nitrogen. The high sensitivity of PENT allows it to be detonated by the impact of a rifle bullet. PENT is used as a booster explosive, plastic demolition explosive. It is desensitized by mixing with TNT. So the mixture of TNT and PENT is also called pentrolite, and pentrolite is actually a stabilized one where TNT is added with PENT. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.